though beauty brands have been pushing primers for what feels like forever now, it still remains one of those most mysterious and puzzling base products in the market. Hi, I'm Lamya and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about a primer and give you a quick application demo too. But before we jump right into it, take a moment to subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel if you haven't already. So now what is a primer? Let's try and understand the basics. Primer is a base makeup product that helps create a silky smooth canvas for your makeup to adhere to. It also helps your makeup stay on all day. So some of its direct benefits are that it will stop your makeup from slipping, fading or creasing. So basically, primer is your bestie and you've been pretty much ghosting it. How dare you? But I don't blame you completely. Occasionally, I've also heard co-workers and friends often say that they find it really weird on their skin or they simply don't have the patience for this extra step. Now listen, I've heard all the whining and my answer is always the same. You probably didn't use the right one. Now there are a vast array of primer options available in the market. Hydrating, mattifying, blurring, luminizing and so on. You need to make sure you always choose the one that best fits your needs. For example, if you have oily skin, opt for a primer with mattifying properties. Or in case you have too many open pores, try one which is pore minimizing and has blurring properties. For those that have dry skin, select a luminizing primer. Now, apart from the different properties I just mentioned above, primers also come in two basic formulas, water-based and silicone-based primers. Now, water-based primers are usually thinner, they are more runny in texture, while a silicone-based primer will be thicker and is slightly more sticky when you apply it to your skin. So if you're someone that has sensitive skin, pick a water-based primer. So for moving on to what a primer actually is, why should we use it? So I've already told you what a primer is, and if that wasn't convincing enough, here are some specific reasons why you need a primer in your vanity kit right now. Reason number one, it helps makeup last longer. So what your primer simply does is that it creates a canvas on which you can apply your makeup. So it literally puts a layer between your skin and your makeup. Reason number two, it smooths the skin surface. So primer also prepares and smooths your skin surface, giving you that even skin tone. In fact, with a tinted primer like this one, that's the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, you can actually skip foundation and just go for a no makeup look. It's a light pink color like this. And when you apply it, it'll just give you a really nice even tone all through your skin. Reason number three, it hides imperfections. So these days, primers also have the unique ability to blur pores, fine lines or even hide blemishes. In fact, if you have large pores, applying a foundation without using a primer first will only magnify them and make them look bigger. With a primer though, you can be rest assured that all your imperfections will remain hidden and won't peek through the makeup. Reason number four, controls sebum. So lastly, one of the key reasons for makeup slipping away is the production of sebum. Gel-based primers mattify your skin and control the sebum production. So always pick a gel-based primer if you have oily skin. Now I know friends who swear by the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer that seriously helps curb any excess oil production, so you might want to try it out too. Now the big question is, do you really need a primer? I'm going to be honest, it's only when you start applying a primer that you realize what you've been missing out on. So if you don't want your artistic efforts to go in vain, I would suggest definitely getting one. So now I've tried and tested a bunch of different primers in the market and this one is my favorite. This is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Now this is a silicone-based mattifying primer that will instantly brighten and hide any imperfections. It's my absolute go-to. So now before we get into this quick demo, always apply primer as the last step of your skincare routine and before makeup application. So I've already applied my moisturizer and serum and now I'm going to show you how to apply the primer. Now when using a primer, you only need a thin layer and apply it very sparingly. Dab it with your fingers like this, using a very light patting motion and then spread it all across your face. So you want to make sure that it doesn't pile up anywhere on the skin, so just do it bit by bit and section by section. So this is not a moisturizer, you don't want to gisofy, you just want to apply it like this so that it seeps in, and it also just gives your skin a very nice finish because it's slightly tinted. Now if you're a germaphobe, you can also use a wet beauty sponge to fill in any deeper imperfections. I always use my fingers, I just think that works the best. However, I wouldn't recommend using a makeup brush as that's just going to drag the primer around the face. Also remember, a little primer goes a long way, and if you end up using too much, it'll just sabotage your makeup look before you even create it. So the most important is to put it where you feel you have pores, which is usually this area. Then you can move on to other spots. So if you have very dry skin, you should know that you might require a little more than a pea size amount. You might need like a quarter size dollop, as dry skin tends to absorb makeup more rapidly. Whereas if you have oily skin, stick to the bare minimum. Just use a little only on the oily areas or areas that you know are prone to oiliness. And most importantly, after you've applied it, just don't go look for your foundation and apply it all over your face. Just give it a good 60 seconds, chill a little, listen to some music before you go ahead and use any other product. That's the key. Now, I hope I've helped clear some of your doubts around primers. Do try getting one and incorporating it in your beauty routine for the greatest makeup finish of all time. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.